how to organize digital and physical documents for divorce efficiency. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. One of the best ways to stay on top of your divorce and avoid unnecessary delays is to get your paperwork organized. Whether you're managing files digitally or on paper, having a system in place can save you time, money, and stress. Let's go over how to do it efficiently. Start by setting up a dedicated folder system. If you're doing this digitally, create folders in Google Drive, Dropbox, or your computer labeled by category: court filings, financial disclosures, agreements, and communication. Keeping everything grouped and clearly named makes it easy to find what you need quickly. For physical documents, use a portable file box or accordion folder with labeled tabs. Store court forms, correspondence, tax records, and copies of served documents in separate sections. Make sure you always have the most current versions and retain copies of anything filed with the court. We had a client who came to us with everything in a single manila envelope. Once we helped them sort their documents by category, it not only sped up their case, but gave them clarity about where things stood and what was still needed. At Divorce 661, we help clients stay organized by giving clear instructions on what documents to gather and how to submit them. We also provide secure digital forms for financial disclosures and use e-signature tools so you don't have to print or scan anything yourself. If you're co-parenting, it's helpful to store shared documents, like custody schedules or expense logs, using a shared cloud folder or a co-parenting app, so both parties have access without constant back-and-forth emails. If you want to keep your divorce process smooth and efficient from day one, visit divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll help you get organized and stay on track every step of the way, both online and off.